Hello guys. Sorry if I'm talking weird at braces, but yeah. Okay. I'm gonna be showing you how to draw a kawaii bird. So you're first gonna start off with two round circles, almost touching each other. So like that. Maybe that you can't see. Okay, there we go. And then you're going to draw about half of the circle, like that. And then just color it in. Like so. Then you're going to draw the beak. So what you're going to do is like draw a smooth triangle. Like that. And then you're going to draw two little lines right in between it. And then you're going to draw the little head. So you're going to draw about half in between the eyes, like so. And then draw like an oval shape, kind of, like that. And for the body, you're going to draw maybe half the shape, like that. And then the wings, I'm going to make this bird be lifting off, so I'm going to draw two little curved lines, like that. And then draw little half, I forget the word, these things, but half of it and longer. So look like that, and then draw one big one attaching to it like that. And then you're just going to draw, oh sorry, you can't see. So there's three smaller ones and then a big one. So look like that. And then you're going to draw the legs. Well, actually first the stomach. So you're going to draw three little rectangles like that. And then, God, I can't. But it'll look like that. And then two little feet. And I am just going to draw them opposite, so they're going opposite from each other. And I'm just going to quickly kind of color that in, make it more pretty. I don't know why I'm using a blue pen, but you can use whatever color you want. Just going to color in that part. And the beak, just a tiny bit. Okay, so there's a little birdie. And if you want, you can add little cheek blushing marks. So there you have how to draw a kawaii bird. Bye guys.